Hi, I am Mauricio Bermudez, and today I'm going to show you my top 5 education digital trends. This top is created based on some research consults. This result obtained of course, a personal presentation. In the poster, we can see my top 5. In position 5, we have adaptive learning. Adaptive learning. The research consult is use of technology in adaptive learning, proposed to promote the resolution of mathematical problems in primary school, carried of the Vicente Guerrero Primary School in the San Luis de Potosí. The object of the research was to favor the resolution of problems in order to enhance the mathematical reasoning through the application of adaptive technology software in order to access the impact of this in the learning of a student in terms of problem-solving mathematics through the design of the didactic sequence. The adaptability and individualization offered by design of the multiple gain based on the characteristics of the technology of adaptive learning benefit the students' ability to solving problems, thanks to the fact that each one was located the level of difficulty that was. It allowing the advancement of each student according to your own pace. In position 4, we have OER. The research was carried out by the University of Monterrey, working on 62 fifth grade, working on elementary school, from a private school located in the state Veracruz. The research sought to evaluate the impact of the use of the OER about through the HDT program Digital Skills for All in the learning of history and 5th grade students of primary. The study determined that the students who were only working with OER had a better final performance compared to those who were exposed to traditional education. In the position 3, we have MOOCs. MOOCs and their relationship in the teaching learning process. University students of the Turing and Initial Education cadres of the Technical University of Ambato, Ecuador. The objective of the research was to develop a MOOC for the subject on the ACT that's always to stringent the teaching learning process of the students of the first semester of the student's career and the second semester of the initial education careers. The mock for ACT should generate a high degree of acceptance in the students of the first semester of the student's career and the second semester on the initial education career of the Faculty of the Human Science, on an education of the Technical University of Ambato, and improving the learning through the collaborative environment and generating the development of basic skills. In position 2, game-based learning, or University UDCA, UDCA. Game-based learning as the tool for environment education on the native fauna of Colombia. The study of the University of Applied Environmental Science UDCA included students from 4th and 9th grade from the rural public school in the Cundinamarca and 6 urban ones. The research deals with the inquiry about the impact of game create the learn about the Colombian fauna in children from rural and urban schools. The results of the investigation showed that after working the game to get to know the Colombian fauna, the children increased significantly in the score obtained in the post-test in contrast and the pre-test. And finally, the number 1 is mobile and mobile device. Research. The use of mobile device as an education strategy in the university. Professor and student of the Catholic University of Cuyo in Argentina. The research deals with an investigation on the use that teacher and the student make of mobile device for education purposes. Mobile devices are used the vast majority of teacher and student, so to limitation acquisition the equipment to access this trend. That's all, folks. Thank you. See you later.